After setting up the category tables, the next step is to configure the main database. The first main database to set up is the chart of accounts, as it is crucial for operations. To access this, users should go to the menu 5 Account, then 2 Charts of Account. Once inside the chart of accounts screen, users will notice that the program has already prepared sample charts for reference. At the top, users will notice 2 additional tools in the toolbar near the note icon. The first command is a red arrow pointing down, which expands the chart of accounts. Click this to see the expanded view, which will display all the sub-accounts, including account numbers and account names, within the groups that have been pre-configured by the program. The second command, with a red arrow pointing up, is used to shrink the chart of accounts. Clicking this will collapse the view, showing only the parent accounts. In this case, users should click the expansion command to view all the detailed examples of the chart of accounts provided by the program. Let's begin with the first point, which is about the account number. Users can see the details on the right side of the chart of accounts. The first line is about the account number. The program provides a sample format for the account number, consisting of a 4-digit number followed by a dash and then a 2-digit number. Users can modify the account number format by navigating to 7 Setup, then 1 Default Information, and finally 7 General Ledger. The section used to change the account number format is the first section. By clicking on the Edit Data command, users can modify the account number format in the first section. Note that there are some conditions that users must follow when creating an account number. The first condition is that the program allows users to set up an account number with a maximum limit of 15 characters. The second condition is that the accounting numbers can only be represented in 2 ways. The first way involves using the digit 9, meaning that the accounting number can only include numbers from 0 to 9. For businesses that require additional flexibility in their accounting numbers, the second method uses the exclamation mark. The exclamation mark indicates that the position can accept any character, including numbers, letters, and symbols. In this section, the program does not restrict users to one method over the other. Users can mix both the exclamation mark and the digit 9. Additionally, the use of a dash is optional. If a dash is included, the program will consider it as a character. Users can combine and mix these elements, as long as the total does not exceed the 15-character limit. In this case, we will retain the same format for the account number and will not save any changes. To exit, click the Cancel command, and then click the X to close the screen and return to the chart of accounts screen. The next detail in the chart of accounts is the Thai name. This field is used by the program to display information in reports, trial balances, and various financial statements. Users have a maximum limit of 50 characters for the Thai name. Note that in this context, the program counts vowels and spaces as 1 character each. The next detail is the English name, intended for users who utilize the Thai English version for issuing budgets in English. Following that is the parent AC, or account control, which must be 1 level above the user. The parent AC is essential, as it is dependent on the account level. The subsequent detail is the account level, which the program has divided into 9 levels, with level 1 being the highest and level 9 being the lowest. Businesses do not need to utilize all 9 levels, as the selection of levels is based on the design of the business. The next detail is the group, which follows basic accounting principles and is divided into 5 categories. 1. Asset. 2. Liability. 3. Equity. 4. Revenue. And 5. Expense. Following the group is the type of account, which the program categorizes into 2 types: 0 for posting, and 1 for summary. When determining the type of account, users need to consider whether specific account numbers will require transactions or need to be recorded in any 5 to 10 day book. If recording is necessary, those accounts should be designated as sub-accounts. However, if it is a parent AC or account control, it is specifically designated for accumulating or compiling totals from sub-accounts and cannot be utilized for any other transactions. The final detail is the use department. In the program, users can designate a department and convert it into a project or a department specific to their business. If users want the program to save accounts according to different projects or departments in order to track budgets, profits, and loss, they must set use department to Y. After reviewing the details of the chart of accounts, we will proceed to how users can modify the chart of accounts to better fit their business needs. First, we will change the account name. Users will notice that the chart of accounts prepared by the program includes various account names already. However, some businesses may find that certain names do not align with their requirements. Fortunately, these names can be adjusted. For this example, we will use current account with the account number 1112-01. The original chart of accounts prepared by the program shows current account 999-9-99999-1, and we want to edit it to resemble the actual bank account used in the business. To change the account name, the user should first click on the account number they wish to edit. Details for the selected account will then appear on the right side of the screen. Next, click on the second command, Edit Data. Users will notice that the cursor defaults to the Thai name field. While the account number cannot be edited, a workaround can be suggested. To change the account name, simply erase the part that is not needed and type in the desired. For users utilizing the English menu, the English name can also be edited, but for details from the parent account to use department, there is no need to change these entries, as the original chart of accounts will still be used. The focus is solely on modifying the account name to better align with the business. Once users have edited both the Thai and English names, they can save the information by clicking the disk icon at the top and confirming with OK. After saving, users will notice that on the left side, the account number 1112-01 now reflects the updated account name as intended. The previous section provided an example of how to change the name of an existing account. Now we will learn how to add a new account number. There is an easy method for adding a new account number that helps prevent mistakes regarding important details in the chart of accounts. First, users need to consider which group they would like to add the new account number into. For example, in the current account category, the original chart of accounts provided by the program includes 3 accounts. However, if your business has a total of 4 current accounts, another account can be added. The first step is to click on the last account number in the account group, which in this case is 1112-03. After selecting that account number, click on the Add Data command. Notice what happens on the right side. The program has automatically copied the account number of the most recent current account. This feature helps prevent any issues with skipping account numbers. Users can easily see that the last account number is 03 and can change it to 04. Users can then modify the account name as desired. For the details from the parent account to type, there is no need to make any changes since the details of the deposit group are already in place. Therefore, users only need to update the account number, Thai name, and English name. Once completed, click on the disk icon at the top to save the changes and confirm by clicking OK. Notice the result on the chart of accounts on the left. A fourth account has been added to the current account group. This method can be used whenever users wish to add another account number. Having covered how to change the name of an account and how to add a new account number, we will now discuss how to edit the account number of an existing account. Users may have already noticed that the edit data command does not allow for direct modification of the account number. To change the account number within the program, users can follow this method. For example, consider the account number 1112-04 current account, which is originally set as current account Kasikon Thai Ba Bun Krong. If users want to change the number from 04 to 05 because account 04 is intended for a different bank, there is a way to update the account number so that the program will automatically update all information or transactions associated with the account number 04 to the new number 05. To edit the account number, users should first click on the account number they wish to modify and check the details on the right to ensure it is the correct account number. Next, click on the last command in the toolbar, which features an icon labeled O2New, accompanied by the explanation change code. The program will display a screen for users to change the account number. Users will notice that the original account number cannot be changed. In the second line labeled Change To, users should enter the desired new account number. After making the change, click OK. After clicking OK, users may need to wait for a moment, as the program will verify and update all documents and menus associated with the original account number 1112-04 to the new account number 1112-05. To remind users operating within a LAN system where multiple people are using the program, it is essential to perform this account number change only when all devices have stopped running the program or have been closed. If possible, devices should exit the company or completely exit the program. Additionally, users should note that the details or explanation associated with O2New icon states change code rather than change account number. This distinction is important because this command is not limited to the chart of accounts screen menu. It is designed to change the code for all types of databases, including creditor codes, debtor codes, and product codes. Similarly, if an action has already been carried out, changes can still be made. Users will also notice that when new databases are added, the O2New command is available for those as well. Now, let's proceed to change the account number back from 05 to 04. Users should click on the account number they wish to modify, then select the O2New option. Next, enter the desired account number and click OK. After making the necessary changes to the chart of accounts, users can click the X at the top to close the chart of accounts menu.